Now the next option is to find out the data in a particular object. We are going to give the data type, like select data type, you can see here, and selected the object. So it will give you the which columns have particular object type of data. So here you can see we just if we run it, we'll see that only the country, ISO code, data, and vaccines source, and these are the object type. But there is one problem. The problem is that the date should not be the object, because there are a lot of information is already available in date. And if we can just convert the object type date to the exact date time format using pandas, then we can extract a lot of different information from there, like the month or year or time if it's present there. So it is very important for any kind of data visualization or data explorations. So for that, what we'll do is that we'll just we'll take data dot date. I think it is date, and we'll just convert it date pd dot to, I think, date time. Yeah, pd date time, and I'll just select the same thing here. So data date. So here it is. So we just run it over there. So it will convert the data date to the date time. So for that, just quickly check the kind of type. Type is this. I think it will come. Okay, it's not coming in this way. Okay, let me check. Okay, dot info. Hmm. Okay, series object doesn't do that. For this, I think date time. You just check um, 0, the first value are taking. So this one, and it's a timestamp. You can easily see that it's a timestamp already. So it's already time date time object right now. So that is the thing over here. I think you've learned something, and I've also learned something new over here. Thank you for watching the video.